You know, I do it effortless because it's fascinating. It's unraveling a lot of phenomena. You know, I am painting people that's unfolding. It's almost like predictive programming. It's truly is a fascinating phenomenon. Like you created this phenomena and it's unfolding. How is it unfolding? Is it predictive programming? Is it precognition? You know, am I an unconscious instrument or a conduit in a much bigger, grander spectrum of things? Who knows? So that's it. That's it. You know, I find art to be an intriguing phenomenon, and I am excited to add it to my second hobby next to music. That's it. You know, another fascinating aspect of it is what makes an object pop. Is it a touch of light, or is it a spark of light, or a touch of darkness? Because sometimes